There are three reasons why I'm a fan of this creatine by Pristine. First of all, look at the packaging. It comes in a glass bottle. Yes, that tells me that there's some good ingredients in here that we need to protect, and putting it in some flimsy plastic is not going to take care of it. Second, I like the fact that it's third-party tested, and I'm taking a capsule. I'm not eating a gummy. I'm getting my creatine, 3 grams of creatine, without any calories. Oh, I like that. I've seen some other products where you're taking in anywhere from 45 to 70 calories just to get your creatine. That's too much. It's too much. And then the third reason why I like this creatine is I've recently learned that creatine does so much for your body. It helps your muscles in recovery and growth, and it even helps your brain. It supports cognitive function according to new research. I'm impressed with this product, and I'm so happy that I get to take creatine without adding any calories to my diet. I recommend this product.